Yes, good morning. It's me, Nathan, with the Free University Japan once again. This morning, I want to demonstrate how we do our lessons when it comes to our students. Many of you are wondering, how do you access Free University lessons? As long as you have a smartphone and you have a computer, all you have to do is go to our website, www.freeuniversityjapan.org, and you'll be able to go to our website and access our lessons. Let's meet a student here. My cameraman, please come. Yeah, today we are meeting our student here. Yes, good morning. How are you? You're all right. What's your name? Your name is Jacqueline. How old are you, Jacqueline?
18.
You're 18 years old. Yeah, this is Jackie. She wants to be a student of mathematics because she struggles with mathematics. One of our teachers, Teacher Nami, recently did a video for students like you. We have a problem here. Mathematics is a big problem here in Uganda, and because of that, people fail to do the simple additions and subtractions. So this video is designed to help people like Jackie to count from 1 to 100, how to do additions, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. So we want to demonstrate to her how we can do a lesson in Free University. Please stay tuned. So poverty is a big problem here in Uganda. Many people cannot afford smartphones, so it's a big challenge here. But as the Free University, we are trying to make it easier for them. What we do, I'll be downloading the lessons on my laptop, then I can go to the students and offer it to them. Thank you so much, Mr. Kosei Segawa and the people of Japan for this beautiful program of the Free University. Thank you so much. Continue subscribing to our YouTube channel, the Free University. Bye-bye.